Welcome to Morphilm Academy. These are the Rode NTH-100 Professional Closed-Back Over-Ear Headphones. So first of all, these use the most comfortable ear cup padding we've ever used. They also have, of course, a great sound quality with a wide frequency range, pretty good passive isolation, and a nice flat frequency response. Great for audio editing and sound recording. They also have a detachable headphone cable, which plugs on either side, which is awesome. And on top of that, they work with the optional Rode NTH mic, which we actually haven't tried yet, but could be very useful as a sound mixer if you also want to use them to talk to your boom pole operator. So, they sound perfect. However, they have a few major flaws. First, they're big, heavy, and do not fold up in any way, so carrying them is a pain. Second, the ear cups don't rotate. So when resting on your shoulders, they restrict your head movements, are quite uncomfortable, and they even, personally, hurt my clavicles just by resting on them. Third, cable noises are pretty bad. Just lightly touching the cable sounds very loud and bassy. It's not fun. Fourth, although the ear cups are great, the padding on the headband could be improved a lot. Because of the weight, they start to hurt your head after a while. Fifth, markings for the size adjustments would be very useful. Right now, it's hard to put them back at the same size or adjust them equally on each side. Lastly, and this is the worst part for us, they were advertised to be durable, made to last, but they forgot a crucial part of the design. This part here is an ultra cheap, horribly designed plastic piece of shit. We actually had to return 3 pairs of headphones on the warranty because these kept breaking super easily. So now we only use them in our office. And when we carry them anywhere, we need this protective case. Rode really messed up with this one. And we're very disappointed they haven't come out with an updated version yet. So although we originally bought these for sound mixing on shoots to replace our Sony MDR-7506 and our Audio-Technica M50X, that were both starting to be worn out, we had to go back to them. The Rodes are simply too big to fit in our sound cart, too uncomfortable around our neck, and too fragile to carry on shoots. So, in conclusion, we absolutely love using them for the sound quality and comfort of the ear padding, but we can only use them for editing in our office. So, if that's what you were planning to do, these are great, but if you want to go anywhere with them, we would advise against it. Let us know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching!